Welcome back to Echo English Moments. I'm Lily, your guide to speaking English confidently in everyday life.
And I'm Tom, here to make learning practical and fun. Hello, everyone.
In our A Day with Lily series, we explore real-life situations to help you use English naturally.
Today, we're diving into something stylish, shopping at a clothing store.
Clothing stores are great places to find new outfits. But speaking English there can feel a bit tricky, especially in a new country.
No worries. We'll guide you through every step, starting with arriving at the store, then trying on clothes and asking about sizes with simple phrases to make it easy.
To make your shopping trip smooth, check the store's website for sales or return policies before you go. It helps you plan and save money.
Ready to update your wardrobe? Let's head to the clothing store.
When you arrive at the clothing store, greet the staff or ask for help.
Say, "Hello, I'm looking for some new clothes."
Or, "Hi, where can I find women's dresses?"
If it's busy, try, "Is there a staff member available to help me?"
You might also ask, "Do you have a sale section?"
And where are the fitting rooms?
A polite greeting helps you start shopping easily. Visit during quieter hours, like weekday mornings, to get more attention from the staff.
Once you're settled, let's find specific clothing items. Let's talk about that next.
Clothing stores have many sections, so ask for help to find what you need.
Say, "Where can I find men's jackets?"
Or, "Do you have any summer dresses?"
For specifics, try, "Are there jeans in the sale section?"
You might also ask, "Can you help me find a formal shirt?"
And is there a section for accessories, like scarves?
These questions save time finding items. Check store signs or ask for a store map to navigate easily. If you're looking for specific sizes, let's ask about those next. Sizes vary by store, so ask to find the right fit.
Say, "Do you have this shirt in medium?"
Or, "What sizes do you have for these pants?"
For details, try, "Is this available in a smaller size?"
You might also ask, "Can you check if you have large in stock?"
And, "Do your sizes run small or large?"
These questions help you get the perfect fit. Bring a measuring tape or know your measurements for international sizing.
If you want to try on clothes, let's ask about fitting rooms next.
Trying on clothes ensures they fit and look great.
Say, "Can I try on these clothes?"
Or, where are the fitting rooms?
For specifics, try, "How many items can I bring into the fitting room?"
You might also ask, is there a time limit for trying on clothes?
And, "Can I get a different size if this doesn't fit?"
These questions make trying on clothes easy. Hang clothes neatly in the fitting room to keep it tidy for others.
If you're curious about colors or styles, let's ask about those next.
Clothing stores offer various colors and styles to choose from.
Say, "Do you have this dress in blue?"
Or, are there other colors for this sweater?
For specifics, try, "Is this style available in a longer length?"
You might also ask, can you recommend a style for a party?
And, "Do you have anything similar to this shirt?"
These questions help you find the perfect look.
Ask for a mirror in the fitting room to check how clothes look on you.
If you're watching your budget, let's ask about prices and discounts next. Knowing prices and deals helps you shop smartly.
Say, "How much is this jacket?"
Or, are there any discounts on these shoes?
For specifics, try, "Is this item part of a sale?"
You might also ask, do you have a buy one, get one deal?
And, "Can I use a coupon with this purchase?"
These questions keep your shopping affordable. Check the store's app or website for exclusive discounts before you shop. If you're concerned about returns, let's ask about return policies next. Understanding return policies gives you peace of mind.
Say, "What's your return policy for clothes?"
Or, can I return this item if it doesn't fit?
For details, try, "Do I need a receipt to make a return?"
You might also ask, how many days do I have to return this?
And, "Can I exchange this for a different size?"
These questions help you shop confidently. Keep tags on clothes and save receipts until you're sure about your purchase.
If you need help with alterations, let's ask about those next.
Some stores offer alterations for a better fit.
Say, "Do you offer alteration services?"
Or, can you alter these pants to make them shorter?
For specifics, try, "How much does it cost to alter a dress?"
You might also ask, how long does an alteration take?
And, "Can I try on the clothes after alterations?"
These questions ensure your clothes fit perfectly. Ask for a fitting appointment to confirm alterations are done right.
If you want to shop online, let's ask about online services next.
Many stores offer online shopping with in-store pickup or delivery.
Say, "Can I order clothes online and pick them up here?"
Or, do you have an online store for these items?
For specifics, try, "Is there free shipping for online orders?"
You might also ask, can I return online purchases in the store?
And do online items have the same discounts?
These questions make online shopping easy. Sign up for the store's newsletter to get updates on online sales.
If you need gift options, let's ask about gift cards next.
Gift cards are great for friends or family who love shopping.
Say, do you sell gift cards for this store?
Or, can I buy a gift card for a specific amount?
For specifics, try, are gift cards usable online?
You might also ask, do gift cards expire?
And can I check the balance of a gift card?
These questions help you give the perfect gift. Check if gift cards can be used at other store locations for flexibility.
If you need help in the store, let's ask the staff next.
If you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to ask the staff.
Say, can you help me find a jacket in my size?
Or, I'm new here. Can you explain the sale terms?
For specifics, try, who can I talk to about alterations?
You might also ask, is there a staff member who speaks Spanish?
And can you show me how to use the online catalog?
Staff are there to assist, so ask away. Be clear about what you need to get the best help.
Before leaving, let's thank the staff for their help.
After your shopping, thank the store staff for their help.
Say, thank you for helping me find this dress.
Or, I appreciate your help with the sizes.
You can add, the service here was really great. Thank you.
If you're happy, try, this was so helpful. Thanks to you.
And I'll be back soon. Have a great day.
A polite goodbye leaves a positive impression. Leave a positive review online if you had a great experience.
Now, let's practice the phrases we've learned today.
Let's practice key phrases to make them stick. Repeat after us.
I'm looking for some new clothes.
I'm looking for some new clothes.
Where can I find men's jackets?
Where can I find men's jackets?
Do you have this shirt in medium?
Do you have this shirt in medium?
Can I try on these clothes?
Can I try on these clothes?
Do you have this dress in blue?
Do you have this dress in blue?
How much is this jacket?
How much is this jacket?
What's your return policy for clothes?
What's your return policy for clothes?
Do you offer alteration services?
Do you offer alteration services?
Can I order clothes online?
Can I order clothes online?
Can you help me find a jacket in my size?
Can you help me find a jacket in my size?
Do you sell gift cards for this store?
Do you sell gift cards for this store?
Is there free shipping for online orders?
Is there free shipping for online orders?
I appreciate your help with the sizes.
I appreciate your help with the sizes. Wow, we've covered so much about shopping at a clothing store in English today.
From arriving at the store to trying on clothes and checking return policies, you're now ready to shop with confidence.
Remember to be polite, ask clear questions, and check the store's website for sales and policies.
Practice these phrases, and you'll feel at ease in any clothing store.
These expressions will help you find the perfect outfit, save money, and enjoy shopping, no matter where you are.
Thanks for joining us on A Day with Lily. Keep learning and keep styling.
This was Echo English Moments. See you in the next episode.